Hello friends, welcome to Embedded Board. Today's video we are going to write a C program to extract a substring from a given string. So let's first define a string. String carries char type and the string name is Embedded Board. Now I am going to declare a variable name value. Now coming to the main function, we are going to give a printf statement. Printf asking user to enter the position to extract the string. Substring we can say value. I am going to use a scanf and save the value in value variable. Now in the next line, I am going to declare a variable called length and I am going to calculate the string length. So I am using the function strlen length, and this function is available in the string.h library. So I am going to include the string.h library also string. Now I am going to use a for loop. In the for loop, we are going to assign the I values to the value. So I is equals to value. It will start from the where user wants to extract the substring and it will goes to the length. And every time I is going to plus plus in the for loop, I'm going to print the string. So for this, I am using %c. A single character we are going to print the str I. So I have write the code to extract a substring from taking a user input for a position where we wants to extract the string. So now let's run the code. Okay, now it's asking to enter the position to extract the substring. I'm going to enter 5 and it will extract the string keyboard. That's all for this video. If you have any doubt in this video, let's comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching this video.